A woman comes into the office with a cast on her hand. I ask her what happened, and she told me that she was injured in a car accident when a car pulled out in front of her and she T-boned the other vehicle. You see, at that time, she was shifting from first gear into second gear, and then when she went to put her hand on the steering wheel, the crash happened, and her hand was pushed up against the steering wheel right at the area of the thumb. She felt a tremendous amount of pain. She ends up going to the ER, and the doctor takes an x-ray, and it showed a fracture at the base of the thumb. An orthopedic surgeon was called in. She took a look at the client, and she said, "You have a Bennett's fracture. We are going to try to cast you and see if it works." The client had questions about her future because she plays the piano for a living. Hang on for 5 seconds, and I will tell you what I told her. Hi, I'm Dr. Guy DiMartino, a Northwest Indiana personal injury attorney. A Bennett's fracture is a break and dislocation at the base of the thumb. Let me explain the anatomy of the area. The wrist bones are called the carpal bones. The hand bones are called the metacarpal bones. And the fingers are called the phalanges. A Bennett fracture happens at the carpal metacarpal joint. Healthcare providers call this the CMC joint. Without the overlay of trauma or a fracture, the CMC joint in and of itself is prone to arthritis because it moves a lot. The main two consequences because of a Bennett's fracture is, number one, is that there is not a perfect reduction and you can have deformity. And number two is post-traumatic arthritis. The odds are that the client will have post-traumatic arthritis in the joint, and it will impact her ability to play the piano in the future. So these long-term consequences are something that the personal injury lawyer has to account for when you go to settle a claim. If you have any questions about a Bennett's fracture, you can always give me a call. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.